summer is over in a flash and you're on your way.
There's this little bit here, which, oh yeah, you might be able to see a bit better. We're just cutting that away and then it's going to get welded. So let me sweep the floor so I can line the floor and then we'll be back. Now, I am presuming here you can see, judging by guesswork. So it's so close to the time. This metal bar here. So first of all, I'm going to bash shit out of it, so I can get at it properly again with the angle grinder. So someone won't know where this is. This is the bottom airbag mount. The top one is on top of the wheel arch. So all this corrosion here is years worth and just knocking it brings it all off. So we've got to get this down round here down to this bare metal. And when it's bare metal, Scott can weld to it. So too short there actually. Let's unbend that metal a little bit. Oh, there's one piece. So there's that piece. Just got to get this other piece out now. Coincidentally, this day is full of different jobs because at some point I'll have to wait for this battery to charge in this angle grinder. Because I only have one part of the angle grinder for any decent amount of time. So here I'm just manoeuvring the metal around, making it brittle, making it, because I need to get to the angle grinder up there with it. But, new lip on the metal is obviously preventing that. Let's see if I can get in there now with it. Possibly if I move the guard slightly. Right, the screwdriver. Shotgun underneath the hot sun. This guard just around ever so slightly, just to protect me a bit further from some of the sparks. Better.
Not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head at bedtime. You know my favorite wine. This is why we work. Why it's you and I.
So because this bit's down at that point, because of how it's supposed to be and how it isn't, because it's meant to be the same line as that. You're not going to get that perfect, but you can get.
I feel alive. You bring me coffee in the morning, posted with a love note. We both like to take it on a Sunday night. You know just when to kiss me. You know I don't like whiskey. This is why we work. Why it's you and I.
tell they just used a cheap, don't even think it's steel. It's aluminum, that I think. Maybe. It's cheap shit anyway. They've used to plate it. Let's adjust this again slightly, so I can get up at the top there.
On a Sunday night, you know just when to kiss me. You know I don't like whiskey. This is why we were, why it's you and I, dancing in the moonlight. Girl, you bring the sun out. This is why we were, why it's you and I. I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. Yeah, I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing. 'Cause you gave me you.
It comes down here,
You keep me going.
it sits on this bit here, because this is the bolt to undo the airbag. You puncture that and that undoes the airbag.
Many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast.
What that is,
Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in
completely
Tennessee.
booked.
Dreaming of what we could be.
From the
From the
back.
back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
we'll charge this back up. I'll dig away a bit more at this with a screwdriver. Go do my other job at 96. I'll come back to this in about an hour and a half when the battery's charged up again. This black stuff here, this has already been painted, so this is already sealed. But this didn't get done because we knew we needed to do here. So, yeah. We've got quite a bit to do. Anyway, I'll see you in a little while.
There's nothing like it, you'll agree. Just take a ride upon the bus.